What's up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing the new Hot Wheels Racing number 1 which is the blue one, and then the Growler. And also, a bonus, I have the Monster Energy Supercross game. So let's get started. So here we have the Hot Wheels Racing number 1. As you see, it's completely all blue. And it has these white out rims, and it has a blue design, not the white design. There's some white right there, and it has Hot Wheels Racing number 1 on the top, and that's Hot Wheels Racing. And it has a yellow window, just like how I don't know what color, whatever. And it has the same. And then also it has red rims, just like with the 2-pack of Baja Buster. And then the difference is that it officially has a blue design and the other one has a white design. And it's not like when they had the Hot Wheels Racing number 1 in what am I supposed to say? The original Hot Wheels design for this, and it does not have the official Hot Wheels Racing design, just like how it used to be. And also there's there should be a 1/64 scale Hot Wheels Racing number 2, just like they did with the red treads. And yes, so that's Hot Wheels Racing number 1. Next up, we have Gutter Growler. And here's the look of the truck. It's just the rats all around the truck. And there's cheese going around, trash cans all over. It's feeling like those cans I have out in my backyard. And yeah, so there's a caution tape on there, and it says Gutter Growler. And there's a sewer instance, and if you're wondering why it says that, there is a sewer on the hood right here, and it has the Hot Wheels logo on there, and it has the blue window here, and it also has the green roll cage, green silver rims outside, and the white ones inside, just like the panels for the truck. And yes, that's Gutter Growler. And yes, so let's get into the Monster Energy Supercross game. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so let's go. Whoa, oh, no. Okay, there. Let's hope they don't ruin this. Alright, so we're gonna go in the career mode, and we're gonna choose 1 versus 1. Alright, so let's go. Tap to start. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh. 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 Whoa. Let's go. Whoa, we're doing it really. Oh. 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 Holy cow. And we're gonna finish. Oh. Alright, so make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, leave a like on the video, and I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.